Hi everybody, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fun Edition here, and this is how to turn on and off camera Auto HDR mode. If you don't know what the HDR is, this stands for the high dynamic range, and this is the spatial shooting mode designed to balance brightness. For example, when it's difficult to take photo when the sun is blinding you or when the background is too dark. So let's find it in your phone. Let's go to camera. You can tap on the camera icon or double click on the power button. So we are in the camera now, and let's go to settings. This is the gear icon in the top left corner. Tap on this icon, and here you just need to find this option. Here it is, Auto HDR, and toggle it off or toggle it on. You can keep it on all the time. It's good enough, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.